Welcome everybody. Today I found best deal are going on Hostinger and it will close soon. So if you want to start your website on WordPress and you want a beautiful AI feature, then Hostinger is for you. Right now they are up to 70% off is going on, and please wait till the end because in I will give you extra 10% off coupon code in the end of this video, and I will show you how you can get that coupon code. Okay, so first of all, let's see what's going on here. You can see Hostinger, it's now 75% off for hosting plus website builder. At the same time, you will get free domain, free website migration, and 247 customer support. And not only that, you will get 3+ month free of their hosting service, and this deal will close soon. So I recommend you to use the link of this video description I will give. Just open that and claim this deal, and this is very useful. I will go show. So as you can see, this is very popular and trusted hosting provider, and it's started from 2004, and since it's a very popular platform for making and building website. So here you can see this is their three pricing model that you can start your journey, and all the platforms say you can start with 100 website with this same hosting plan. So that is incredible. If I show you the Namecheap pricing, you can see their pricing model is too high even after discount, and it's on the yearly pricing model I am showing you. Guys, this is pretty expensive compared to Hostinger, so that's why actually I recommend you today. And I recommend you to, guys, please choose at least business model, because if you want to start your online business, it will not limited, because day by day you need a useful feature that they are providing with their hosting. Okay, so not only that, you can easily create. So if I show you the all feature they are providing with this section, you can see you will get this bunch of feature, and with that you can use AI website builder, on demand backup, WordPress AI tools, free Amazon affiliate WordPress plugin. So you can see it's provide you all the most valuable service, including this business pricing model. So you can pick this one. So when you choose this plan, then you will find a option, and here you can see this is their period. So I recommend you pick 48 month, because with this is super valuable, guys. You can save up to $480 with that. And please wait, because I am going to give you extra 10% discount coupon code with that. Okay, so with that you can get the domain and hosting with only $399. And you can see why I recommend you to use 48 month, because the renewal cost will increase to $899 month. Okay, so you can cancel anytime, and of course the great news is your free domain plus 3 month free are included with this order. Okay, so that is pretty cool, and this deal will close soon, so you have to grab as soon as possible. Okay, so why people actually love Hostinger? Because it's affordable pricing. You already see it's affordable, and the main part of this website provider, which is fast website performance. So if you pick their domain and hosting service, your website will faster than Namesim share hosting. So I personally experienced their Namecheap hosting, share hosting pack, and they're very slow. So that's why I shifted my website to Hostinger. So now I am pretty satisfied. And here we will get the free website monetization, AI website builder, free SSL certificate, and of course their customer support are incredible. Anytime 24/7 you will get their support, and they are very helpful. And of course with this all offer you will get 30-day money back guarantee. That's I love. So you can pick this one and you can cancel it anytime. Now let me show you the extra 10% coupon code that I want to show you today. So when you select their coupon code by choosing the plan, and then you will see the next page which is called cart, and in the cart page you will see here is the 48 month and 12. Just select 48 month and you will get already $480, and just click hit have a coupon code, and you have to paste this code. But please guys, please use my link that I will give on this video link. So if you check my video description, then you will get a link for Hostinger. Then when you have try to bot, just you have to use 10 honey and then apply. You will get extra 10% code, and it will save you 19.50 cent and almost $500 you can save guys. Voice is pretty cool. That's why I made this video immediate when I found this is useful for me. So I decided it will also helpful for my viewers like you who wanted their website for today. So if you're like it, you can easily start your WordPress website from today with this high demand hostinger hosting pro service, and you can make your website faster with affordable price and of course the extra AI facilities. So no more wait guys. If you want to really start your website, then go to this video description and pick this, just click this link and bought this deal before ending, and of course use the coupon code that I provided. I hope this video was useful to you guys. If this video was useful to you, then you can subscribe my channel, and I will see you on the next one with the beautiful useful video like this. Thank you very much. Have a great day.